We categorize natural number in three categories. We have one, here we have prime number, here we have composite number. Now, can anyone tell me what is the reason behind this categorization? नेचुरल नंबर तीन कैटेगरी में है. नेचुरल नंबर तीन तरह के मिलेंगे, वन मिलेगा, प्राइम नंबर मिलेगा या कंपोजिट नंबर मिलेगा. प्राइम. Online students can also participate. Simplification. कोई रैंडम गैस वर्क कुछ क्लिक कर रहा हो माइंड में. वन. तो क्यों नहीं है वन? Why one is not prime? Why one is not composite? वही तो पॉइंट है. डिविजिबिलिटी. थोड़ा बढ़ रहे हो, मतलब सही आंसर की तरफ पहुंच जाएंगे 15 मिनट तक. I tell you what is the reason behind this categorization is factors. Factors divisor I think all of you know. जैसे 6 है, what are the factor or divisor of 6? 1 is divisor of 6 or factor of 6, 2 is factor or divisor of 6, 3 is factor of divisor of 6 and 6 is factor or divisor of 6. Like whoever given the concept of prime number, he has done so wonderful like analysis or research. Wonderful concept these people have given. जिसने भी prime number को बनाया होगा उस time पे, मतलब come up with the concept of prime number. See here, see the concept. अच्छा, definition you know, many of you know what is the definition of prime number. Tell me what is the definition of prime number. One also. ठीक है. Prime number are those natural number which are divisible by one and itself only. Okay, but I tell you concept, then I come to the definition. What is definition actually? कहीं पे भी आप किसी भी subject में definition देखोगे, when we give language to the concept, किसी भी concept को आप language की form में express करते हो, that is known as definition. Any concept when you express in language, that is known as definition. तो I have seen student they cram the definition, concept भूल जाते हैं. Concept समझो. Concept behind this is one have only one factor. One have only one factor, that is one only. One का एक ही factor है, वो one ही है. Prime number are those natural number we have two factors. Two factors. So the natural number those who have exact two factors are called prime number. किसी इंसान ने क्या किया, factors के form में categorization कर दिया. The natural number those who have exactly two factors, they start calling this as special number or a prime number. उनको हमने prime number बोलना start कर दिया. भाई इसके तो दो ही factor हैं. And what are these two factor? One and the number itself. One and the number itself. One and the number itself. People they are doing PhD on this to finding the largest prime number निकाले जा रहे हैं, वो उस पर work करे जा रहे हैं. prime number they try to divide and all, they try to find bigger. एक उनके बीच में रेस चल रही है to find उससे भी बड़ा prime number मैं निकाल के दिखाऊंगा. I will get bigger prime number than this fellow. I will get bigger prime number than this fellow. It is like an achievement to have a bigger number which have only two factor, that one and itself. It is not divisible by any other number in between. मतलब okay, so here two factors, whereas composite number have more than two factors. Like I give you example, 5 is divisible by 1 and 5, so 5 have exactly two factor, so we consider 5 as a special number, means prime number. प्राइम नंबर को एक स्पेशल कैटेगरी देने का रूप करो कि प्राइम नंबर मतलब स्पेशल, जिसके दो ही फैक्टर हैं, वन एंड इटसेल्फ। 7 is divisible by 1 and 7 only, that's why it is a prime number. 11 is divisible by 1 and 11. I give you a list, don't worry, but I'm telling you what is prime, what is the concept behind this prime. ये concept कहाँ से evolve हुआ कि जिसके दो फैक्टर उनको हमने प्राइम स्पेशल कैटेगरी में डाला, and that special category is known as prime. Whereas here 6 has factor 1 2 3 6. It can be more factor also, like 100 is divisible by 1 2 4 5 10 20 25 50 100. So these are the factors of 100. Okay, I give you one example so that you can understand this categorization. One is unique. Why? One is neither prime nor composite. One is called as unique. One जैसा कोई नहीं है. Can you tell me any other natural number which have only one as a factor or having only one factor? One is unique. One के अलावा कोई और नंबर ही नहीं है, कोई नेचुरल नंबर पैदा ही नहीं हुआ, हो ही नहीं सकता which have only one factor. So one is unique. So like here example, some people they say like one is like Modi. मोदी जैसा कोई है ही नहीं, किसी की नहीं सुनता. पीपल दे से अमित शाह ना, यारी दोस्ती अपनी जगह, करना अपने मन का. प्राइम नंबर केजरीवाल, दो की सुनता, एक खुद की एक और की. एक और कौन? मनीष सिसोदिया. कोई बोला वाइफ, बोला वाइफ के बिना सो लेगा वो, बट मनीष सिसोदिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट गाय. कंपोजिट राहुल गांधी, हर किसी की सुन लेता है. तो हियर नेचुरल नंबर का कैटेगराइजेशन क्या हुआ? वन बेस्ड ऑन फैक्टर्स, प्राइम नंबर एंड कंपोजिट. सम स्टूडेंट दे से सर कैन वी कंसीडर वन एज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर? नो भाई, वन इज यूनिक. वन प्राइम नंबर नहीं है बिकॉज वन इज नॉट हैविंग टू फैक्टर्स. व्हाट आर प्राइम विच हैव टू फैक्टर्स? क्या वन के दो फैक्टर है? नहीं, वन हैज ओनली वन फैक्टर and that's why one is unique. There is no other natural number exist which have only one factor. One is unique. That's why one is unique. हमने सुना one is unique. One is unique. Why one is unique? Why one is unique? Because one is the only natural number which have one factor. Prime number are special number because they have two factors. Composite number, those who have more than two factors. Now here, so this is the idea. Now you know the definition. Try to connect your definition with concept. क्या हुआ हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है? What I have observed in our school system, we all of us have crammed the definition, but the concept behind the definition we ignored somehow. That's why I have seen student LCM and HCM also they cram. You have to understand, because UPSC level is high where conceptual clarity is must. ठीक है, तो you put heading prime number now. I give you some information about prime number. First is one is neither prime nor composite. One is unique. Second is 2 is the smallest prime number. Two is the smallest prime number. Some student they ask, sir, can we consider -2, -3 as prime? कई बार डाउट आ जाता है किसी को, -2, -3 प्राइम लेना चाहिए कि नहीं. See your conceptual clarity देखो ना, it is a categorization under natural number. -2 is not a natural number. There is no question of about whether -2, -3 are prime or not. प्राइम के लिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन it has to be a natural number. तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर नेवर कंसिडर एज प्राइम, नेगेटिव इंटीजर कभी प्राइम हो ही नहीं सकते, ओके, बिकॉज इट शुड बी अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, नेचुरल नंबर के अंडर ही प्राइम नंबर आएगा, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स नेवर एवर गेट कंफ्यूज। नेक्स्ट इज 2 इज द ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर। Can anyone tell me the reason behind this? 2 is the only even prime number. Why? Because after that every even number is divisible by 2 as well. 2 के अलावा जो भी even number होगा 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा। 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2 also. Then it will have more than 2 factor. Then it has to be under the category of composite number. Next is 1 to 50, there are 15 prime number. And 1 to 100, there are 25 prime number. Although it will be factual information, but these facts are important to handle miscellaneous question, and I have framed statement based question on this in my test series last year. Similar thing can be asked, same, I don't expect कि वो बिल्कुल same पूछते हैं। UPSC have a style, they pick the concept and they ask, reframe the question, so you will get similar question, not same, similar you will get. Same में some of the concept directly can be asked. So I give you a list of prime number. These are 25 prime number. 1 to 100 we have 25 prime number. So I give you a list. You have to remember.